Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to make a quick action to resize and sharpen your photos properly for Facebook. So I have an image open here. It's all completely edited. I'd like to go ahead and save it for web. So I am going to go into my actions panel to start. And I'm going to turn off button mode so that I can see all of my actions. I'm going to go ahead and minimize some of them here. So I can decide which one I want to go ahead and make it in. I'm going to make my action in my Essentials workflow right here. So with that folder selected, I'm going to come down here. Oh, no, I'm sorry, I lied. I'm going to come up here and hit New Action. I'm going to call it Resize and Sharpen 2048. I am going to give it a color so that I can find it easily when I'm in button mode. And I'm going to hit record. The first thing I want to do here is flatten my whole image. So I'm going to go to Layer, Flatten Image. I'm going to drag my background layer down to the new layer icon, which will create a copy. Oh, darn it. I did that all wrong. I want to resize it first. So I fibbed. Let's go back to flatten image, and instead we will go to image size. We will change it to custom size. Change this to 2048. We could change it to 72, which is web resolution, but some browsers can show better than that these days, and I just leave it at 300. Technically, it doesn't really mean anything. 2048 is 2048 pixels, no matter if you have it set to 300 pixels or 1 pixel. It's the number of pixels that matter, not the resolution, until you're printing it. And that looks pretty good. I'm going to hit OK. Now I'm going to drag the layer down to the new layer icon. And I'm going to go to Filter, Sharpen. I'm going to go to Unsharp Mask. I know it sounds counterintuitive, but Unsharp Mask is actually the best one to use. I like it around 30%. And actually that looks nice and sharp. You can see all of its details, all the details in the bucket. So I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to hit Control-0 to bring back my full screen. Since this is a copy, I can take down the opacity just a little bit, so the sharpening is not quite that much when I run the action. And that's pretty much it. Now it's resized and it's sharpened. I've got that all in the action, so I can go ahead and hit stop on the action. Now I have it right here. I can open another image. Let's just open a recent one. Now I can go ahead and just take the action, hit play. It'll flatten it, it'll resize it, it'll add the sharpening layer. There it is at 50%, and it's all resized and sharpened and ready to go. That easy, guys.